Alright guys, well, this is going to be my first video. It's going to be an intro video for everybody. My name is Daniel. You can call me That Ducky as my username on YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, I guess. This is going to be my first motovlog, more of an introduction of who am I and what is it that I want to accomplish. Anyways, I ride a Yamaha SCR 950, aka Yamaha Bolt Scrambler. That's a nice BMW right there. What up, fellas? BMW, Harley. Oh, anyways, Happy New Year's, guys. I feel like that's why everybody's out here tonight, or today. Everybody's riding on that New Year's. Today we're heading to eat my super late lunch. My girlfriend works at a restaurant in Orange. Sorry, my fiance. Recently engaged. So I'll be going there eating my late lunch, having a couple beers. Anyways, I'm currently living in Orange, California. I'm riding around SoCal, and I've been riding for about, I don't know, 3 years? On and off 3 years. Before I purchased this SCR, I had a Yamaha XJ650, 1982. It was a project bike. I wanted to turn it into a cafe. Currently, I am 80% into the project. But you know how projects goes. You run out of money, and then you end up leasing a motorcycle. Because leasing a motorcycle, you'll be able to afford and not worry about trying to get it started, trying to get it running. As the XJ650, I was able to get it to run for about a day. Rode around the parking lot. That's about it. Right now, I'm having trouble figuring out the carburetor setup that I have for that bike. So recently I picked up this SCR 950 from the Long Beach. That was, I believe, back in October. Today is now January 1st of 2020. Happy New Year to everybody. A little bit about me. I stream video games. I'm a graphic designer. Let's see, I used to play semi-professional PUBG on PC. I used to compete on Counter-Strike. I've been playing Counter-Strike for about more than 10 years now, actually. Yeah. Yeah, Counter-Strike's been a big part of my life. One of my favorite games in the world, obviously. Still the best. It will always be the best game. Right now I'm currently streaming and playing, doing some recordings, YouTube videos as well for Escape from Tarkov. That I've been playing since 2016. And yeah, so anyways, as far as my YouTube for motovlogging, I am planning on maybe doing compilations of dumb California drivers, as there are many of them that don't respect motorcyclists or other people that's on the freeway or on the road. Some of them don't really understand the fact that it is legal for us motorcycle riders to be lane splitting. And as much attention as we try to give them, they just never give us space for anything. The reason I picked up the SCR, because one, it was super cheap. I believe Yamaha did purchase or did manufacture a bunch of these, trying to compete with know, the Ducati Scrambler, classic look, cafe racer, scrambler phase that was going on back in like 2017, 18, and 19. I believe they made too much from the Yamaha Bolt, so now they're going for like $4,000 for a 950cc motorcycle. You know, to me it's a pretty fun bike. I got this one used at 1,800 miles. Really cool. So far since October, I'm at 5,715. So yeah, I've been in Arizona with it, around Big Bear, all that stuff. Anyways, I'm now here at my location, so I'll go ahead and let you guys go. So please like, subscribe if you'd like to see a bunch more motovlog stuff. I'm going to try to do about a video or two a week, so we'll see where that goes for the next month or two. Alright, well, thanks guys. I'll see you next time. Peace. Keep forgetting about that little plug. Look at this dumbass right here. Jesus Christ.